So with this website, you can actually check if your email address have been hacked or not. So you can actually find out if any email address has been breached by by hackers or not. So this is the name of the website, which is called whatismyipaddress.com/breakcheck. So what you need to do, you can see it says enter an email address below and click for immediate result. So I'm going to enter the following email address. So let me just try two email addresses. One, I want to enter this first email address and click breached. So by clicking breach, it's going to check all the database and see if any info could be found. You can see it says breach status. So now it says you should immediately change password for Impact account. So it's now advising me to actually change my password, and it says that if the following company, iMesh and MySpace, probably my email address have been exposed to those websites. And if I enter the following email address and I do breach, you can see it's going to tell me, let's say it says it says we recommend using a password manager, but at the same time, it says congratulations, this email address has not been found in any data breaches. So this website is actually a good website to check if your email address has been hacked by someone or not.